My yard is overrun with dozens of birds' nests right now, but they're not the kind you're thinking. You have to see this.
Have you ever seen a bird's nest fungus? Because that's exactly what this is. This tiny, fascinating little thing. They get their name because they look a lot like a bird's nest, but they really have nothing to do with birds' nests. They're shaped kind of like a cup, and they have these little teeny spores that look almost like eggs. When they get full of water, like from the rain, they will overflow and those spores will disperse. I was so excited to get my macro lens on them and get some detailed photos of them because they are so interesting. Nature is fascinating. What do you think of these? Have you ever seen them before?